Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to take a quick look at Gevo Inc., ticker symbol GEVO. As always, before we start, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Gevo Inc. operates as a renewable fuels company. It commercializes gasoline, jet fuel, and diesel fuel to achieve zero carbon emissions and reduce greenhouse gas emissions with sustainable alternatives. The company uses low-carbon renewable resource-based carbohydrates as raw materials and is developing renewable electricity and renewable natural gas for use in production processes. Its products also include renewable biodiesel, isooctane, isobutanol, sustainable aviation fuel, isobutylene, ethanol, and animal feed. The company was formerly known as Methanotech, Inc. and changed its name to Gevo, Inc. in March 2006. Gevo, Inc. was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Englewood, Colorado. Gevo has a mission to transform renewable energy into low-carbon transportation fuels. This next generation of renewable premium gasoline, jet fuel and diesel fuel with the potential to achieve zero carbon emissions, addressing the market need of reducing greenhouse gas emissions with sustainable alternatives. Gevo uses low-carbon renewable resource-based carbohydrates as raw materials, and is in an advanced state of developing renewable electricity and renewable natural gas for use in production processes, resulting in low-carbon fuels with substantially reduced carbon intensity, the level of greenhouse gas emissions compared to standard petroleum fossil-based fuels across their life cycle. Gevo's products perform as well or better than traditional fossil-based fuels in infrastructure and engines, but with substantially reduced greenhouse gas emissions. In addition to addressing the problems of fuels, Gevo's technology also enables certain plastics, such as polyester, to be made with more sustainable ingredients. Gevo believes that its proven, patented, technology enabling the use of a variety of low-carbon sustainable feedstocks to produce price-competitive low-carbon products such as gasoline components, jet fuel, and diesel fuel yields the potential to generate project and corporate returns that justify the build-out of a multi-billion-dollar business. Gevo last released its quarterly earnings data on November 10, 2020. The energy company reported 8 cents earnings per share for the quarter, topping analysts' consensus estimates of 10 cents by 2 cents. The business earned $0.19 million during the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $0.70 million. Gevo has generated $2.39 earnings per share over the last year. Gevo has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Tuesday, March 16, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 11.80%, while institutional ownership is 8.02%. Shares of Gevo traded down 40 cents during midday trading on Monday, reaching $6.40. 1,104,146 shares of the company's stock were exchanged, compared to its average volume of 29,782,609. The firm has a market capitalization of $786.98 million, a price-to-earnings ratio of -3.93 and a beta of 3.56. Gevo has a 52-week low of 46 cents and a 52-week high of $7.62. The company's 50-day moving average is $3.24 and its 200-day moving average is $1.50. Gevo's revenues are forecast to grow faster at 21.95% per year than the U.S. specialty chemicals industry average of 5.56%, as well as the U.S. market average of 14.38%. With a revenue for 2021 to be $343,475,326, and the lowest revenue forecast of $123,823,393, and the highest revenue forecast of $563,127,259. Two Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Gevo in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $6.63, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 3.52%. The high price target for GVEO is $8.25 and the low price target for GVEO is $5. There are currently 2 buy ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. With the global renewable energy market was valued at $928 billion in 2017, and is expected to reach $1,512.3 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR of 6.1% from 2018 to 2025. Renewable energy technologies convert the energy from different natural sources such as sun, tides, wind and others, into its usable forms such as electricity. Gevo Inc. could be a very lucrative investment for the next few years as the world transitions to more green energy sources, and Biden becomes president and helps promote the sector. If you liked this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212 who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.